Yes.
Good in the camera.
What? I'm better than that.
And in your notebook, I want you to write down what an abiotic factor is and what a biotic factor is, and give an example of each. You can work with your table group if you need a little bit of help remembering what they are. And when you're done, if you want to put your pencil down so I know that we're ready to move on, that'd be great. All right, can I have one person give an example, well actually, can I have one person give me the definition that they wrote for an abiotic factor? Non-living. And what is an example of a non-living? What's that? Weather. Anything else?
Like land area, like rocks and stuff.
Okay. Anyone have anything else that they'd like to add to non-living abiotic? No? Okay, what about biotic factors? Anyone besides these two tables? I'll call on you. I'll figure your names out eventually. Okay, so what is an example then? Not these guys. Yes?
Predators.
Such as?
Who are gonna have to be here, or I can't think of anything off the top of my head that is.
That's good. That's good. Especially around here. Yes?
Plants like trees and the grass.
Perfect. So this activity is just to get you thinking about abiotic and biotic factors. We are going to go outside today, and luckily it looks like it stopped raining for a little while. So in your table groups, except for this group back here, you're a little large, so if we can divide into two groups of 3. I don't care how you do it. And on your pink paper that I'm going to hand out, this is what we're going to complete when we're out in the field. But then the blue one here is what we'll do when we get back. Spend a few minutes looking over the blue one so you know what you're going to be needing to complete when we do get back in here. I'm just giving you them on separate paper, so in case this one gets wet, you don't have to write your answers and everything on a wet piece of paper. So before we head out, come grab one of each. Or just send one person from your group. Just spend a minute reading over the blue sheet especially, so that you need to figure out what you're going to be writing about when we do return. Does everyone have one of each? Perfect. What we're going to be doing in your groups, the first task, have everyone's attention? Thank you. First task, pink paper. So we're going to find and identify 5 abiotic factors and 5 biotic factors out and around the pond area here. And you can do it, you're going to do it within your group, so your group can have the same answers. Try to separate from everyone, don't be with multiple groups in the same area. To spread out. And then you have each group has a plastic baggie. With that plastic baggie, you're going to take a soil sample. And we have the soil samplers over here. Does anyone know how to use these?
Don't you just put it in the ground and then pull it back out?
Twist it and pull it out, yep. So you're gonna go ahead and do this. Try to remember where you got your soil sample, because we're gonna write that down when we get back in the classroom. Just a little bit of a description, what was around the area, so you remember for tomorrow's lesson. Anyone have any questions over the pink or blue sheets? Can I have one person tell me what we're going to do? Yes.
We're gonna go look for 5 abiotic factors and biotic factors and get soil sample and samples.
Perfect. And then when we get back, we're gonna complete the blue sheet. Has everyone looked over the blue sheet so they have an idea of what we need to also look at for when we're out there? Are you ready? Let's go ahead and head out. You don't have to film when we're outside.
I don't?
No.
All right.